guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie if you don't know me. Today's video is finally the Peach and Lily glass skin review. I've had these products now for a while, maybe more than a month now. Yeah, definitely more than a month, but I have been using them. I'm gonna go real quick. I already did have my face washed with the cleanser. This is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, Deep Cleanse and Soothe, and this is what it looks like. You know, if you guys remember, I did buy like the little travel size of it. These are not the actual sizes of the items. They're just like a travel size, kind of like a kit that it came in a kit. So it's just trying the products out. And what I will say about this cleanser, it's a good cleanser. It's very light cleanser. I would say that this line is very sensitive skin friendly for sure. I could probably even say that this is more for like youthful skin. So for like, I don't know, 20-year-olds, I would say. If you're looking for something a little more impact on your skin, I think that some products yes, some products no, but the cleanser, I'll start with the cleanser here, definitely very light. I could say that even a teenager can definitely use this. I didn't feel like it was harsh or anything like that on the skin. It lathers a little bit. It doesn't have like a big like foamy lather or anything like that. It has a little bit of a lather. It does have camellia and chamomile, so that is amazing. Like I said, it's just a normal cleanser. I didn't see any big difference in it. Another thing that I will say also about this line is that I felt like it didn't maintain my face. So it hasn't broke me out. It just maintained it, where if I have breakouts or anything like that or blemishes, they do go away. Like the products are actually doing what they need to do. This cleanser is definitely, like I said, very sensitive skin friendly. The cleanser is nice. I'm actually almost done with it, and I don't do too much. I would say like a nickel size on the palm, and then I do mine with a little bit of water, and then I just put it on my face and cleanse it. Like I said, right now it is already cleansed. I don't have anything on my face. I have been using other products along with this because I do always use a couple of serums and a under eye product, but these are not the only products that I've been using along with it. These are just other products that I added into the skincare, and it also has an essence water type of thing. So this is the Peach and Lily Wild Dew Treatment Essence Drench and Rewind with Lotus and Bamboo, and it looks like this, and you guys can see I've definitely used it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right now since I haven't applied it today yet, but normally I would do this at night. It is right now daytime. Normally I wouldn't apply a toner during the day. Usually do this skincare at nighttime, but for the sake of making the video, I'm just applying it now, and there's nothing bad about that. You can use your skincare whenever you want to, of course. With this one, I do feel like a little tingle to the face. Nothing harsh. It hasn't caused any breakout. Do definitely can smell like the lotus. It smells really good. Not anything strong. It just smells nice and clean. Nothing crazy. And in essence, it says that it brings you antioxidant rich lotus extract, which I think is what's causing the little tingle in the face, but nothing, like I said, nothing crazy. Niacinamide, age defying yeast ferment, and radish seed extract, and firming adenosine. Get pure dewy skin, unadulterated by modern day life. So like I said, I feel like this stuff has definitely maintained my face. I don't notice like any extra dew when I use the products by themselves. I do use, like I said, a couple more serums, but this one does have its own serum, which is this one right here, the Glass Skin Refining Serum, luminous and translucent. This one is peach extract and peptide complex, and this one is a travel size. It says poreless, luminous, translucent glass skin is yours. This revolutionary cocktail of peach extracts, niacinamide, and peptides helps hydrate, brighten, and minimize the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. Like I said, it has kept my skin clear. I did not use this on its own. I did use it with other products. I keep mentioning that, I know, but I want you to know that I did not use this on its own. I did use it with my normal products that I would use, just because those ones I feel are like a staple in my skincare routine, and if I go without them, I feel like my skin wouldn't look the same way. But these have definitely maintained it. They haven't caused any extra blemishes. They haven't caused any breakouts. They do help. I did try it on its own a couple of times. Like I said, it maintained it. It didn't do anything to my skin that I would say that don't use it or anything like that. Very sensitive skin friendly. It doesn't feel like it's too harsh on the skin at all. If you do have dry skin, I would say it gives you like a natural glow, as you guys can see. Definitely can see that glow coming through. And then the last thing that it comes with is the matcha pudding antioxidant cream. This one I really actually liked a lot. I did also get the little like sample size of the glass skin water gel moisturizer, and this one has hyaluronic acid, kiwi extract, and peach extract, which it looks like this. I know it's tiny. This one is gel water based, so it's a little bit on the lighter side. So if you have oily skin, this one will definitely be for you. You would still be able to use it. This one's more thicker. It's definitely a cream, and it is matcha, which I really enjoyed. I don't believe that I have tried a matcha. Oh, no, I lied. I have tried something from Pearlescent that's matcha that I did like, but this is like the second product that I have tried with matcha, and I really do enjoy it for my skin. It definitely feels creamy and definitely thicker than the gel water-based moisturizer, but it still felt nice. This one says moisturize, protect, matcha and niacinamide in it as well, and it feels super nice on the skin. Very, very creamy. Definitely on the thicker side. Whenever I have extra in my hands, I'm just massaging it on my neck and on my skin here. But yes, the only thing that this line doesn't have is something for your under eyes, so I do use something different for that. And also I do pair it with a couple of more serums, like I said, because I feel like I need those, especially still through the winter. Now that it's getting warmer, I do tend to lay off of putting them on every day. I do probably put them on twice a week instead of 2 or 3 times a week, instead of doing it every day like I would in the winter time. But definitely you guys can see the glow, and it definitely feels thicker, like I said, than the gel based one. Now let me show you the gel based one so you guys can see a little bit of it. I mean, I know I had like a little bit left to show you. You guys, if the camera will pick it up, you can definitely see that texture there, and it's just like a water gel base. You can definitely feel the difference between this one and the matcha one, but that's what that one looks like. And it does sink into the skin very nicely. This one does. I know sometimes I have tried some gel water-based moisturizers that just sit on top of the skin, but this one definitely does. Like you guys can see, it's completely gone now that I have rubbed it into the skin. It's completely gone, and it gives you a little bit of a glow. Nothing too crazy, but this one is the cream one, the matcha one that I was talking about. I don't even know if I showed you guys what it looks like, but there it is. It's green, and it's pretty much almost done. And if I were to compare it to something else, I don't know if you guys have tried other creams or other moisturizers that are thick like this, but like this one is definitely comparable to the Peach and Lily one. So if you have tried the milk one, it definitely feels a lot like the matcha one. So for thickness and consistency, so you guys can relate to something. I don't know that I would have another one to mention. I had I can't remember. I don't know, but it is a little bit on the thicker side, so if you're not into that, like right now, I can definitely still feel it on my face, but it feels so nice and moisturizing, and my skin feels really nice and soft. I do like that. This is a pretty short video. Just wanted to go through those and give you my review on that. So if you have dry skin, I would definitely recommend these. Even if you have oily to combo skin, I would still think that you would be able to use it. Like I said, it's very sensitive skin friendly, and also it's not super thick. Nothing seems like it's too glowy or anything like that, too oily. It does not feel that way at all. I think that you guys would still be able to use this line. I would recommend it even for like younger demographic, like 20s, even like if you're older. I'm gonna be 34 here in the next couple of weeks, and I definitely feel like it would still work for me or somebody older than me. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Have you guys tried anything from Peach and Lily? Honestly, I really like Peach and Lily products. This is the second time that I have purchased anything from them. I have tried their toner, the blue one. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I did have the blue toner. It's like a glass bottle. It is awesome. I love that toner. Definitely recommend that one if you haven't tried it. It's really, really nice. One of my favorites. I haven't repurchased it just because I have other toners that I have in circulation right now that I'm trying to finish, so I haven't repurchased that one, but definitely a good one. I would say the Peach and Lily, even though it could be a little bit on the pricier side, it's a pretty good skincare line. I really do like it, and I definitely will be trying out more stuff from them. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations of stuff that I can try from them. Like I said, I do have dry skin, but right now that the weather is getting nicer and warmer, I tend to be more on the combo side. I do get oily around my T-zone area in spring and summer. So let me know if there's anything that you guys have tried that you think I should try from them, or any other skincare brand that you guys think I should try, maybe do a review on. Leave it down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles!